He's just naked. I am attacked. I need something to hold on to. Here we go again. I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop life. Hey everyone. So today we're checking out the next couple of the BTOB MVs. We've got Thriller, Beep Beep, and You're So Fly. I've heard at least of 2 of these songs. I'm sorry it's been a while since we've last done BTOB, but I'm trying. It's just I started checking out a lot of groups, and sometimes it's a lot, and it takes me a while to get back to the ones I started with. Whoops. But yeah, we're going to do Thriller. Let's just hop right on in, shall we? This one doesn't have subtitles. But what is this styling though? Who was that? Who be looking sexy? Look. I like those looks. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, Sonji! Fun fact, I don't know if y'all ever noticed, but I was never that attracted to Sonji. He's a good looking man, but he was never that for me. And then recently, after watching Golden Spoon over on Patreon, plug, things have changed for me. Damn, these looks though. I need to watch a live stage of this. Damn, Sonji! Okay. Now we back. Damn, Ilhuni. Damn, Sonji. This appeals to my emo teen. Like, wait, 2014. Oh yeah, I would have so been into this look. I still am. Bro. Damn, Sonji! This is the hottest thing he's ever done. What the fuck, Changsub? Oh my gosh, he's not even wearing a shirt under that. That's what I needed to check. Okay. Damn, what a look. The tattoo sleeve? Damn, also Penny looking good too. Mikyok's just naked. Hyunchik! Damn! Damn! You know, I never do this, and I never would do this, but for the first time in my life, for a second there, I had the distinct urge to call someone Oppa, and it was Hyunchik. Damn! Damn, sir! I'm fine. Okay. Oh, I don't think I like Unkwang's hair. You know, they can't all be winners, I guess. Yeah, no, I actually hate the hair. Okay. Damn, Ilun is another one. I don't listen. The reason he was one of my bias is one of my. I don't know. Listen, I feel like I would have been in Ilun bias, and then he left the group, so it's confusing. But the reason for that was never his looks. It was always his personality and. I might need to take that back. Never has Unhinged been that sexy. Damn! Hyunchik! Penny! Like, respectfully, sirs, step on me. Damn, what chunks up? This styling, honestly, the coat that Ongkwang's wearing. Damn, this outfit, this whole outfit Ongkwang's wearing is something. Damn, beautiful. I'm low-key glad I didn't live through this era of BTOB. Because witnessing it after the fact is quite something already. But I know they're idiots in the back of my head. In the back of my head, I can think of like Ongkwang holding Hyunsik's feet, you know, and be like, okay, I'm fine. But like, damn. Oh my gosh. That's quite the outfit, but he's pulling it off. Oh, I love that shirt. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. I love this one. Oh, that looks so good. Get it! This Songjin. I'm sorry, everybody looks great, but this MV for me is owned by Songjae. This was Songjae's. Songjae. Damn, I'm sorry. Is his shirt open? Jungsup is just fully naked. He's just naked. Jungsup of all people. Okay, I mean, yes, I know he's taken his shirt off on stage before, but like, I think this is the first time it happened in the BTOB timeline in official MVs, and I just didn't expect Jungsup to be first. Damn, Minhyuk! Ripped from the get-go, huh? Damn. That is, I mean, that, not gonna lie, that little move at the end, a little bit goofy, but that was like real sexy, wasn't it? It was like real sexy. Do I like the song? Yes. Would I be obsessed with it? I'm not sure. I think I would need 1 or 2 more listens to decide that. I liked it, but I mean, I'm definitely gonna rewatch that MV a couple of times and then I can decide. But like, damn. I didn't think BTOB. You know the BTOB I know would never do something like that. And I was just so poor. I know they're a lot hotter than people give them credit for. But I just didn't anticipate that. Who thinks BTOB and then they think that? That's okay. Okay, next up we've got Beep Beep, which I think is going to be quite the change of pace. Let's go. Because from what I know, this song's a bit goofy. Is that an ad in the MV? What are you wearing, Erwin? After Thriller, this is what you did. Love you for that. I still like that hair from this song too. I'm guessing it doesn't accept it. Okay. I like that. I hate Jungsup's hair. I hate that. Does not suit him. Ooh, Ongkwang. I like the color. I don't like the style, but I like the color. I legitimately want to change your face. Oh, sounding good though. Get with your way. One second, I dropped something. Okay, we're good. I was just trying to put away Sammy. Okay. I like the move though. I like the like hip-hoppy feel. Get it, Minja! I expected this, I don't know why, but from just the beep beep bye bye, I think that's how it goes, which is what I've heard of the song. No, it's dweet dweet bang bang. That's what they're saying. I expected this song to be a little goofier and less like it. Yeah, to me it has like a classic hip hop vibe. I like it. Yeah, that's it. I like it. I don't really have any other notes yet. We'll see how we proceed. It is a bit goofy. What? Why are there women shaking their ass into the camera out of nowhere? Where did they come from? They appeared out of nowhere and they left right away. I love how introspective. Oh yeah. It's given Father and B. Oh, getting some J. Okay, so we're really pushing this B2B sexy agenda with these girls. But they don't look like these. I'm not gonna lie to you. The last B2B, I could have gotten it with all the girls, but this B2B, less so. At least not this Changsop especially. Okay. Ugh, alone. Ooh, I like that move. This, yeah, that footwork right there. You know, from how they act, you'd think they never had choreo like this. Oh my god. Because B2B themselves always act like they were never able to dance, but like they have really solid choreo. Oh yeah, that's what tickets look like in Korea. Parking tickets. They're like stuck to your windscreen often. That particular song, After Thriller, is just kind of a trip. I like it though. I think that song is really fun. And I think I will find myself listening to it quite a bit. But yeah, why were there suddenly naked women every once in a while? Like, where did they come from? Where did they go? Where did they come from, Cotton Eye Joe? I'm sorry, I hate myself for that. Yeah, next up we've got You're So Fly. Doesn't have subtitles either. Let's go. You can definitely tell that this is not the B2B that was writing songs for themselves yet. Oh my gosh, Changsop. That is the most Changsop thing Changsop has ever done. Oh, Songji, you dig.
How you doing, girl? Yeah,
I like that outfit. It's nice. Wait, is that she? I think I know her. Is that not it? I think that's her name, right? If she's the woman I'm thinking she is. Ooh, chair choreo. I need to switch biases. Like, I can't be a Changseo bias. I can't. I'm switching to Hyunshik. I need to switch. I can't do... Not what... I can't do this. Like, I can't have somebody looking at all of BTOB ask me which one is your bias, and then the answer is that one. Like, I can't have people tell... I can't tell people that. I can't be doing that. I need to switch. It also can't be, because you might be thinking, why isn't she switching to Eunkwang? He's a problem for her. Like, he's any better than that. I need to switch to Hyunshik. I think that's the first one out of my options that, like, I commonly have problems with. I think that's the one that's, like, the most, like, reads as normal. Because I can't, no. Like, that's just a guy. Like... I can't be doing that. Okay. I wish I was that girl. That seems like a fun part to play. Who put him in the full body leopard print? Oh, she gave him her BTOB coffee. I love this song. I also really like the next song. I don't like this how short songs is there, honestly. At this point, this is when BTOB were publicly known as buffoons, right? Because otherwise, I don't see how Changsub could have gotten away with acting like this. Whatever you're saying, the answer is yes, Hyunshik. Okay. Oh, damn, Mia. I like your hair. Ooh, I love that outfit. Yeah, that one. I love how that girl is clearly very pretty. They just put on a ton of makeup on her to make her look less pretty. I love this part. That poor that poor comedian. I don't know. Oh. I'm sorry. They're trying to be. I'm sorry. That's funny because he's trying to be. They're trying to be sexy so much. I'm sorry. It makes me giggle when somebody tries to be sexy that hard. Changsub. Thank you, Changsub.
Oh baby, you got me love struck like crazy. Let's go get it.
la 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 la. I think this was my favorite. I know him too. Was he on SNL? Like Korean SNL?
진짜 예쁘지 않아요? 아니 예뻐요? 개똥 같은 소리 하고 있는데 뭐 개똥이야? 아니 얼굴 같은
I have no idea what happened in that MV. I am beyond confused. I have questions. But you know what? I feel like that was fun to film, and BTOB probably had a good time with it. And at the end of the day, isn't that all that matters? But yeah, that's it from me for today. I did enjoy this quite a bit. It's kind of a blast from the past checking out these old BTOB things because, you know, they're so old. It's been a while since these came out. But yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It helps me out a lot. I do a ton of BTOB over on Patreon too. I recently started checking out Chunks Up University, so if you're interested in that, that's the place for that. If not, that's cool too. And yeah, that's it for me for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!